Hey folks, how you doing? I've got John's 5-string banjo to show you today. This is what I call a short scale 5-string banjo. It's got an 11-inch rim with a 20-inch scale. So it's small enough to be pretty portable and lightweight, but it feels symmetrical and comfortable to me, and it's easily tuned to standard tuning. So for this one, John was willing to follow me down a rabbit hole because I really wanted to make a banjo that was mainly out of Douglas fir. And so for the rim, this whole rim is made from an old frame and panel door. And I just cut it all up and turned it into a banjo rim. It's still got some old screw holes and tear out and other stuff from its life as a door, which I'm fine with. And it was fun to put the grain orientation this way. I might do it the opposite way next time. It's got a maple tone ring up top and a cherry cap on here. And then the neck is a finer grained piece of old growth fir. This is a scrap from the carpenter ant stash with a maple stripe. And then I did a cherry fretboard that's got some cool, sapwood in it for a two-tone look. Maple binding, and then a little maple star in the two-tone cherry headstock. So I'm still just learning how to do inlay, so I've been practicing these stars, and it's been pretty fun. So this has got the non-steel string set. It's got goatskin head. I really like this one because it looks like there's a branch on it. I made the tension hoop, and Brooks Maston made the elegant hardware there. And yeah, so fir is well known for its strength, even though it's pretty lightweight. And I think it's working pretty good as a banjo would. It's been fun to play and mess with, and certainly sounds just as good as anything else I've made recently. Yeah, it makes for a light banjo, but I think it's such a stiff and strong wood for a soft wood that it works great. And adding the maple cap on there and the cherry and maple all around, helps make it plenty strong and stable. It's a good banjo. So maybe I'll make a few more instruments like this with the fir. You guys know I like salvaging fir from, all the weird places I find it here in the Northwest. So yeah, this is number 648, ready for John. Cheers.